Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. As we know, winter is coming and I know how hard it can be to stay warm while enjoying the outdoors. But don't worry, I've got something that will help you beat the cold. The Sireck Balaclava Ski Mask. Seriously, this is going to be your new winter best friend. Alright, so this is the Sireck Balaclava Ski Mask. It's a total lifesaver for winter activities like skiing, snowboarding, hiking, or just walking your dog in freezing weather. It covers your face, neck, and head, basically all the spots that need protection from the cold. Now let's talk about the material. The Sireck Balaclava is made from windproof and waterproof fabric. That means it will block out those icy gusts of wind and keep you warm even if you are out in light snow. And it is a soft fleece lining inside for extra coziness. And the best part is it's breathable. So if you are out skiing or running, you will not feel like you are suffocating. It keeps you warm, but you can still breathe easily. It's that perfect balance between warmth and comfort. One thing I love about this balaclava is how versatile it is. You can wear it in a bunch of different ways. Full face, half face, or even just around your neck. And because it is thin and stretchy, it fits perfectly under helmets or goggles, perfect for winter sports. Seriously, no more cold air sneaking in. This covers everything, your ears, neck, and face, so you stay warm all day. And it fits just about anyone. One size fits all and it's super comfortable. Another cool feature is the long neck design. It tucks right into your jacket to keep everything sealed up, and no annoying seams rubbing against your skin. The flat seams make it super comfortable even if you wear it all day. It's also easy to take care of. Just throw it in the wash and you are good to go. No need for any special treatment. So why do I say this is your best friend in winter? Because it ticks all the boxes. It's warm, comfortable, and super versatile. Whether you are hitting the slopes or just commuting to work, this balaclava has your back. Once you try it, you will never want to face winter without it. If you are ready to stay warm this winter, go grab your Sireck Balaclava Ski Mask. I have dropped the link in the description for you to check it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more updates. See you next time.